CV literally means that course of one's life. Like it's the literal meaning of CV. So what we are supposed to do is you're supposed to give a short account of your career and qualifications. So if I have a look at your CV, I should be able to gauge your personality as well as your interest. That should be a screenshot of you as a person. And you're supposed to pitch yourself through CV. So when I say that you're supposed to pitch yourself through CV, you're supposed to put the most important stuff in the most most um most visible part of your CV, in the initial part of your CV. You have to tell the best things about you in the most clearest manner so that you should be able to pitch yourself. Now, what I usually hear from students who ask me, what should I do to build my CV? What kinds of activities should be done? What should be done throughout the academics of MBBS to build the CV? So I think that's a very wrong question in general, because basically through CV, what you're trying to do is, I would say that what is it about you, or what how you are as a person should be reflected in your CV. It shouldn't be other way around, that you should decide that I will put this in my CV, and then that will make who you are. It shouldn't be that way. It should be who you are, and then you are working towards developing yourself and you're putting stuff in your CV. There shouldn't be a pre-decided way that, okay, I want a publication on this XYZ topic, and then I'm working on it, and throughout your 5 year 4 year you're putting yourself in a topic that you're not interested at all. So that is not how you should be build CV. You should go according to your interests. You should go according to the opportunities available to you. I think that's the best way to make CV, and that's the best way to kind of progress, or kind of have a very good CV that tells about you. So given this very general description,